Open your starter kit box. Everything you need to get started is in here. First, to unlock your scooter, find your keycard under the lid. Then, hold your keycard down on the icon to the left of the display until the yellow LED on the right turns green. To identify the left and right mirrors, take them both out and lay them down gently with each pointing away from the other to make a V shape with the mirror side facing up. Take the left mirror and turn the bolt up towards the mirror as far as possible. Screw the mirror in clockwise by hand as far as possible. Once it's in all the way, turn the mirror back counterclockwise until it's in position, pointing away from the scooter with the mirror side facing you. Now use your fingers to twist the bolt clockwise back down the thread. Once it's completely screwed down, get the wrench from the starter kit box and sit down on the scooter. With the mirror still slightly loose, position it so you can see the space right behind you. Once it's in position, secure the bolt as tightly as possible by screwing it down clockwise with the wrench. Hand tightening the nut is not enough and can lead to the mirrors falling off quickly. Now do the same with the right mirror. Once both mirrors are mounted properly, you're ready to go. Jump on, drive safely, and have fun.